Hello everybody, it's me Abdul Salam once again in front of you. Hope you all are fine. I'm also doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So dear lovely friends, today I want to talk about my own topic is the education, importance of education. So let's get start this topic. Actually, I not preparation on this topic, but I can try this topic explain. So actually, education is one of the most important things in life, and education is one of the most important. So education is help us for every situation and every moments. I think education is the very essential part in our life. So not only me but also another person is education is the important things. So right now I am making video. I think it's called education. So I are not educated and not educated. That's I cannot making video and not talk to with you for English conversation and yeah, making video English. So so many problems without education. So when I go to another place and another location and public place cannot be communication with you with English. So actually education is the most important things in our life in your life. So you can always use for education and actually education is the most important. And so I actually education is another. On the other hand, education when I starting time, the time education I cannot achieve, and I cannot understand for education which is education important, what type of important for education. And right now I understand important of education. So that is the things. Actually education is the most important. So that's all about this topic. So dear friends, and today I cannot explain this topic and good not good explain this topic because I am some days and I cannot preparation and not practice for English language. So that's why I think this topic actually not good explain for me. So actually right now I am standing here in my paddy field. You can see in our paddy field is so good quality right now. And right now it's evening time, and evening time is environment so beautiful because you can see this is the home, and in our behind side, in my behind side on a small village. And actually this is the road, actually PWD road, and it's connected to national highway for 3 kilometer distance. And there are so many peoples and so many girls and boys up and down. So go to another place and go to market, and students come to in your schools. Actually in our behind side on school, it's called ME school. It's upper primary school, and there is a one school. It's a high school. It's a upper primary school and a lower primary school, and three school. It's connected to amalgamation. It's called. So when I starting time, that time there is a school. I also studying this school. So it's a very essential part in my life. So today my video actually thank you. Bye bye, next time see you. Thank you.